Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just it's only a short video. I'm just turning some little birdhouses out of some yew I've got some lovely bits of yew from Sneinton, and I've just been turning some little birdhouses. I thought, I know you might like to see it, so I thought I'd put the camera on and turn a few. It's quite chilly today. I've got the wood burner going. Got the tool rolled over. Quite hard wood this yew, I think so. They're pretty good price down there. You get a bag full of it, all various sizes, bits up to sort of from around 1.5 to 2 inches up to about sort of 3.5 inches in diameter. Most of them are about 12 inches long. You get a bag full for 20 quid, so they're not bad. Not bad at all. I must say there's very good prices on their wood there, on their timber. So that's it. It's going to be keeping a bit of live edge on this. Natural, I should say, it's not really live. There. Put this out of the way. Give yourself a bit of room. I'll say it's quite hard wood this. I've got some room to come round. I'll take some of that off there. I like these little pot belly ones, I do. Normally say to keep your cut rolled over. Get a nice cut, and you don't have to worry too much about sanding, or not over sanding anyway. Right, I'm going to come in here because this is going to be parting that off down there. Put that out of the way. Alright, okay. I'm coming with detail chisels just to clean up under the rim here. Ride that bevel, and then the same, ride the bevel, come in. There we go, get a lovely crisp, nice cut in there. Same here, I'm going to ride the bevel, ride in the bevel, no cutting at the moment, and now I'm going to cut. Just so I can bring that round. Because it's got to hang, I meant to say. You've seen me do these before. Right, I'm going to stop that so I can drill my little hole in. Oh, look at that, what a beautiful piece of wood, eh? Right, where am I going to put my little hole? Probably just about there, I reckon. Let me lock that. There we go. I lock it, just helps to stop it slipping. I'm going to put a little hole just there. That's it. Turn that a little bit thin down there for drilling. Didn't want to push it off. I'll put a little hole in for my peg. We're just going to go just there. Doesn't have to go too deep, it's just for decoration really. I don't think any birds are going to be going in it. Right, okay, so that's that. Now I'll just do a little clean up cut with the detail, just to clean that hole. That's it, very, very lightly. You get some really delicate cuts with the detail, and here you can get some lovely little shear cutting going on. I don't want to take any of that bark away from there. Right, gonna come in there a little bit. Down here. See, I'm going to be sawing that off, so basically I'm going to do a little bit of a... Let me put the bucket stopper on. So you'll probably hear that quite well, right underneath the phone. Yeah, come on, mate. Right, a little bit of paste. A little bit of abrasive paste there. Just helps to pop the colour out on this. Right, and then I'll use my own wax. This is my own wax I've made up. Cut that off first. Cut the excess off. This is beeswax, carnauba wax and mineral oil. There we go. Right. Bring the tool wedge back in. Going to part into it a little bit. Just using my thin parting tool. I can use the edge of it. Just clean that bottom. Just use that edge. Clean the bottom up. Right, now I'm stopping that. So I'm going to cut through that. So if I part all the way, I'll get a rough bit. I want to let you see. That's it, I'm basically through there, so back that off. Pop that out, I've got a hole in the end there, so, oh, there we go. Pop that off, and that'll just take a tiny little, where's my little skew? Let me find it. Right. Just take a little nip there. That's it. A little rub. Oh, let's get out there. I said before, a little rub. Only a little bit, that's that. And then I'll get me a little bit of wax on there. And there you go. Put a little peg in that and that hang. Sorry, put a little peg in that. There's a bottom. Finished off. Put a little peg in that. A little screw eye on the top. And that's just going to hang outside. And like I say, I don't bother hollowing them. Because if I hollow them, they'd be too light and with the winds and everything, they'll be smashing into each other. And I don't want that to happen. So they're just for, that's the wax bit, so we'll put the wax bit down there. Not going for proper set, I'm just judging where I want where centre is. I think I'll come over a little bit there. If I don't go right to centre, I'll get a bit of bark left on one edge, see? There I'm going to go. Right, I've made my choice, I've done it now. Right, okay, let's get this one done. Coming in 9mm rounds. You can use a 12mm if you've got a 12mm. Use a standard set. I'm just using the round bar, so I'm quite enjoying them actually. I don't like round bar, not like on the big chisels, so I don't do it on the big. I do it on the big chisels for deep hollowing because you need to be able to roll your tool over. But for a lot of the work, I think the square bar is fine. So if you're doing this sort of spindle work, or for the pen turning, then I do the pen turning sets, and they have the square bar. But I'm thinking actually I might sort of discontinue that and go just over to the round bar for the small ones. Don't go to a real point because obviously I've got to put a screw eye in the end. A little bit of that down. Just got to get rid of that bit there. That should be alright there. Alright, that's fine. Bring this round. If you don't use your cutters just flat, you can get a nice cut. If you're using flat, you just smash all this bark off. But come in with it like that, I can end up keeping some of that bark, see? I don't want all the actual bark, because that's quite a point there, but I'll have a bit of the bark, see? We've got a nice round there. So you think we've missed a bit, but it's not, it's a patterning on the wood. There we go. Nice fine cut, look at that. Oh, that's smooth that is. Right, detail chisel, just ride the bevel, come in, like that top, slightly undercut, come in here, ride the bevel, and in we go. Okay, that's that. Now what we're going to do, tiny look, actually it's going to use a detail one, just to give a little shear cut on that. Look, it's just a, look at that. That detail cutter, that side there is brilliant for doing that. Most people say they never use that side of their cutter. They throw their cutters away and they've never even used it. go. Right. Tiny little bit of sand in. That's it. There we go. That's that. Bit of sand in place. Well, actually, I ain't drilled this one. I've got to drill this one first. Sorry. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, look at that there. Right, well, I want to keep all that bark at the back, so I'm going to go in just there. Forgot I hadn't drilled that one. Right, where did I say I was going in? Just here I want to go in. There. Got these little depth collars here. They come from Lidl's. Brilliant, though. They're the best ones I've ever actually seen for this. Normally I have a grub screw that goes on the drill bit and they never work, but these ones tighten down like a collar. Brilliant they are. Absolutely brilliant. You get 3 sizes: 10mm, 8mm and 6mm in a packet. I think those £4, I think. Might have been less than that. Might have been £2.99, something like that. But yeah, well worth it. Right, there we go. That's that. So we get that started up, and I want to just do again. You see the little bit there that comes from the drill. That's gone. That's gone. And be real gentle. Who would have ever thought carbide detail chisel would be that gentle, eh? There we go. Right, let's just do a quick, just because I drilled it. There we go. I said the sanding, so my abrasive paste. I'll just make up myself. Really helps to pop that colour out. Don't really need it for its abrasiveness, because this doesn't really need any sanding. I'll give it a range of a bit. Right, now put my wax on. It's really good, this wax. So pleased with it. Nothing special. Like I said, Carbide wax, beeswax, and mineral oil. And you can see the finish. Back up the end. There you go. Back on there. So you can see the finish of it anyway. Right, let's come in and pump that up to the bottom. Use the side of my parting tool. And you come in with the detail there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move some of this away. Gently like that, and I can actually come in here. Can actually get a slight cut there. So look at that. Look how smooth that is. That's how delicate you can go. Bit of wax on that. That's how delicate you can be with your detail chisel. So I'll stop that and grab my little saw. Oh, look at the shine on that one. Look at that. Look at that finish. just gently cut all round. There it is, I can feel that's through. Cut that off, and then that will just twist off. That'll pull off of there. There you go. Hardly a mark there. Not even gonna bother the skew for that one. I'm just gonna a little bit. There's so much patterning on this wood. A little bit of wax. Now look, where was it? There we go. Clean up around that mouth bit where the bit of wax stuck on that. Right, well, there's another one. Beautiful little things. Right, that's it for this morning, guys. I'm going to be doing another video soon. I'm going to redo the three-cornered lidded box with a finial. So I'm going to be doing that one again, and then I've got this. Let me just take that off of the zoom a bit. Yeah, so I've got a bit of rippled sycamore, which I'm going to give that a try for the box, because I think a lot of that with it fouling last time was the actual wood that I used. So I'm going to be using that to do the three-cornered box. I've got some lovely spalted ash, so I'm going to be doing some lidded. I'm going to do another little lidded pot with that, because I ain't done a lidded box yet. So I'm going to do that. Right, anyway, that's it for now, guys. So toodle pip, and I'll catch you on the next one.